In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on WhatsApp web. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply blocked someone by mistake, you might find yourself in a situation where you need to reverse that action. No worries, unblocking someone on WhatsApp web is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it, and I'll guide you through each step. To start, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a few icons on the screen. What you want to do first is locate the profile icon. This icon is typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. It might be a small circle with your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to various settings and privacy controls related to your account. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, the next thing to do is look for the privacy option. This might be listed under a menu or directly available among other account settings. Click on Privacy to proceed. It's in this section where you can manage who can interact with you on the platform. In the privacy settings, you'll see various options that help control who can contact you and see your information. What you're looking for is the blocked contacts list. Selecting this option will show you all the numbers and contacts you've blocked in the past. This is where you can review who is currently unable to message you via WhatsApp. As you scroll through your list of blocked contacts, find the specific contact you wish to unblock. Alongside each contact's name, you'll notice an X symbol. This symbol indicates that the contact is currently blocked and gives you the option